7 July 1995, our little Rohan was born. One of the best and the most memorable day in Amma's life. It brought a big smile on her face. And definitely let's not forget आकाश. उसको एक प्यारा सा छोटा सा भाई मिल गया जिसके साथ वो खूब लड़ाई करता है, खूब प्यार करता है उसे. And the family was complete. Our little champ Rohan, we love you a lot. Happy 25th birthday. Rohan is blessed with 3 more parents. First, उसकी प्यारी नानी माँ जिसने उसे बहुत प्यार दिया है, उसके प्यारे सतु मामू. एंड यस, जिसने उसे कुकी का नाम दिया, उसकी प्यारी उषा मासी. रोहन, everyone loves you a lot. Be the way you are. Keep smiling. Let's take an adventurous ride with our Rohan now. ये है हमारा रोहन. Let's adventurous begin.
शामें मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बाली उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए. दिल पे सवाल है, जीना फिलहाल है, खाना बदोशियों पे ही जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए. मेरा फलसफा कंधे पे मेरा बस्ता, चला मैं जहाँ ले चला मुझे रास्ता बूंदों पे.
Rohan, best wishes from your family members. Enjoy the video.
Hi Rohan, many happy returns of the day on your 25th birthday. Enjoy, and you have become a big man now. Huh?
ಬಾಬು, ನಿನ್ನ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಶುಭಾಶಯ. ಮಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಅವಡೋ 25 ವರ್ಷ ಅನ್ನತ್ತ. ಚಲೋ.
All the best.
All the best.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, beta. Wish you all the happiness and good health always. Love you always. Just one thing I want from you. Just be a responsible person and come up in life. Life is not that easy. You really have to come up with that. 1 year has been wasted and I don't blame you for that. And this year also is a tough time. So you have to prove yourself. Study hard or do whatever your heart desire, and please focus on whatever you want to do. We all are there for you. Take care, love you. Bye.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear love, happy birthday to you. Which gift do you want? Do you want a racing car? Too, then we can race together. Bye bye.
Hi Rohan.
Wish you a
Wish you a very happy birthday.
25th birthday.
25th birthday.
Enjoy
God-
yourself.
Yes.
May God bless you with good health and happiness. Do well in life.
Life.
Bye.
Bye.
हाय रोहन,
हाय
तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल
वो चालू
के
जा।
दिन हो 50,000। तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू,
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर रोहन, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हाय रोहन, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
हाँ
बस यो।
बच्चे होते बच्चे होते मिलता लड्डू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, बर्थडे टू यू। अगर बच्चे होते नाम बच्चे होते नाम हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू रोहन।
Have a great day ahead, Ronan, and enjoy your lockdown.
Yeah, have a fab time during your birthday. Enjoy in the lockdown times.
Yep, enjoy. Happy birthday.
Rohan, wish you many happy birthday to you. All the best. Take care yourself. Come up in life. All the best.
Happy birthday, Babu.
हाय मजनू भाई, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी लॉकडाउन वाला बर्थडे। मेरा कैट परसेंटाइल का मार्क सिर्फ तू ही एक तोड़ सकता है, तो तेरे को एक चैलेंज है ये साल कि देखते हैं तू तोड़ता है कि नहीं। चल, हैव अ हैप्पी एंड सेफ बर्थडे, बाय।
Okay, wish you very happy birthday. Have loads of fun, be healthy and wealthy. Hope this birthday brings you a lot of joy. You have a lot of success ahead, but you need to strive hard and walk that extra mile to reach your goal post. You understand that? Yeah, it's not easy, and don't expect everything to fall on your lap. You have to walk that extra mile. That you must have realized that probably by now. So walk that extra mile. We are all there to support you. And in case, Mr. Cookie Maharaj, if you need some fatka, we're also there for that too, to support you as always. Alright? Okay. So love you. Follow your dreams. Okay? And ensure that it comes true. Okay? Bye. Love you.
Yes, Niticham. आप बोल. Yes, Niticham. How are you? Wishing you very happy 25th birthday. God bless you. Enjoy.
हेलो रोहन, many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे और खुश रहो और खूब खूब आशीर्वाद।
रोहन, many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। 25 साल मतलब सिल्वर जुबली, और सिल्वर जुबली के साथ लाइफ में बहुत सक्सेस मिले, हेल्दी रहना, और जो सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है तेरा, तू हमेशा स्माइलिंग रहता है और तू हमेशा हंसते रहना। यही तेरे को ये साल की सबसे बड़ी शुभकामनाएं।
Hi, happy 25th Silver Jubilee birthday. Stay blessed, stay happy और full साउथ का लुक देके रखा एकदम। Enjoy.
बाय
बाय।
मेरी यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, आज जामा पकड़ के बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hi Rohan, wish you a very happy birthday.
May God bless you with all the love, success and happiness in all the years to come.
And we'll party soon.
Loads of love from us both, Chikamma Chikkappa and Mihir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rohan. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
May good luck go with you and happy next year.
Happy birthday, Rohan! Come on, clap everyone.
Happy birthday, Rohan uncle. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy returns of the day, Rohan.
Bye, Rohan. Okay, Trisha is still saying.
Happy birthday, Rohan uncle.
Bye, Rohan.
Bye bye.
Hi Rohan, wish you many happy returns of the day. So this is your 25th birthday and it's been a long journey with you, from you coming to Mira Road, going to Pedder Road, Vedant and our Runwal house. So we have developed a good bond after our birthday. Birthday ke baad once Sejal came in and we have developed a good relationship like a friend and a brother, and you have always been there to support me. Of course, there are times when you and Mummy bash me together, and now there is a third person who is taking this video, Sejal Sharma. So all three of you gang up on me, but it's okay. It's like family. And one thing I'd like to tell you is just follow your dreams. Be a little patient and be focused in your life. Gaming and everything is good. So Mr. Majnu Bhai is right on top with Sohil, and we Dhanraj, everybody is down. But still, there are other things in life to pursue. So best of luck to that. And have a great birthday and hope all your dreams come true.
Hey Rohan, happy 25th birthday.
Sure.
Rohan, you've completed 25 years. लगता नहीं है, मुझे भी बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है. तो अभी भी वो छोटा सा क्यूट रोहन है जिसको मैंने रुमाल प्लाजा में देखा था. ऐसे क्यूट सा स्कूल जाता था. Those watery eyes of yours. What do I say? Time flies, yeah, Rohan. We are growing up now. I still remember like after marriage, I used to always think मेरे से कोई छोटा, before my marriage there was nobody जो मुझसे छोटा था. मेरे घर पे सबसे छोटी मैं थी. एंड यहाँ आके मुझे पता चला मुझसे भी कोई छोटा है, वो है तू, जिसको मैं बहुत ऐसे पैम्पर और लाड प्यार कर सकती हूँ. सो बिकॉज यू डिजर्व दैट. तू है ही इतना क्यूट कि करना पड़ता है तुझे मुझे लाड प्यार. देवर से ज़्यादा मेरा भाई जैसे है तू मेरे लिए. एंड I can pray. I just wish today that जो भी तेरे मन में दिमाग में है, whatever you want to do in your life, वो सब कुछ हो जाए. And you just think, go for it, definitely होगा. बस सोचने की देरी है अभी और कुछ नहीं करना. And I love you a lot, Rohan, and I'm always there for you. Don't worry. तेरी भाभी हमेशा है तेरे साथ. तेरा भाई हो या ना हो, मैं हूँ जरूर. That's the joke. आकाश भी हमेशा तेरे साथ. And what do I say? Happy birthday once again. So let's go to 2019 birthday celebration. थोड़ा flashback हो जाए.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new. May good luck go with you and happiness too.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. बार बार दिन.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to